Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to set up Google Apps for domains. So what that is this is what allows you to use a Gmail interface with your own domain name. For Google Apps, and you can see gives you several different options here. So what we're looking for is Google Apps without any for business, for education, or any of that afterwards. So just Google Apps on its own. Google Apps by itself is free. There are other options available from $50 a year per user. So, but I want to sign up with the free version at the moment so we're just going to sign up for Google Apps. Getting started. I'm going to put in the domain name here, sites.com. Get started. Okay, so I'm going to enter my own personal details here. Now it says email address here. I'm going to put in our Gmail address. See this note about DNS. I understand that if we cannot alter DNS, we're going to set up DNS later. Organization name, I'm going to put in self-assembly sites. At the moment, we just call it business. Size of the organization is 1 to 5. Do we currently provide email accounts? Yes, we do. If so, what does your organization currently use for email? So we'll just put in Outlook. And has your sales team assisted? And we say no. Okay, so administrator account. So I'm going to set up my first name. Put in this. So then you can read the terms and conditions. And automatically enable free new services as they become available. That saves us having to verify every time something new appears. For this to appear, and here we go. So the username it shows and the password. This is just a privacy notice to let you know that the administrator of the account may have access to the account. I am the administrator, so I know that everybody when they sign in will get one of these. Okay, now we need to verify that we own the domain name. Okay, so it's given two different ways to verify, and by far the easiest is to upload a HTML file to the website. So I'm going to say pick that option and continue. So create a HTML verification file named this and copy the text below and upload it to there. Okay, so we're going to create a name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run FileZilla. And I'm going to connect. So what I'm going to do now is go in here. I'm just going to rename the license file. It's easier than creating a new file. So what I want to do here is I'm just going to change my settings and file editing and use file type association. I'm going to use custom editor. I can change this so that it uses Notepad 2, which is what I use. So I'm going to go add to program files and going to pick Notepad 2 and always use default editor. Okay, you'll see what that means now. Discard and reopen, and it opens in this file. So I'm going to delete everything in this file, go back out to here, and this is the text that they want to add. Okay, so I'm going to save that and upload this file back to the server. Yes. Okay, so we've created the file, copy the text below and uploaded it. So you can see the file, so we just verify that this text is that, and then you say okay, and I'm going to skip the setup guide. Okay, so this is just some more information about Google Apps. You can create organizational units, manage multiple domains, and more about that. So I'm going to dismiss that for the moment. So 1 users. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to create a new user. And create a new user. He's got a temporary password set. And there you go. It's created. Okay, so we've got 2 users set up. Now, what we want to do here is set up email. So users can access the email address here. We need to activate this email. So here's the instructions. So we've already created the user accounts. So what we need to do next is set up email delivery. Okay, and this is about changing MX records in DNS. Okay, so I want to change the MX records. So when we have a look at this page here, we can see that showing instructions, and we look down here, we can see they have several different hosting companies that they support. So I'm just going to go down and look and see what they have. Using Bluehost, what we need to do is we need to lodge a support ticket. So I'm going to just click on help, which is down the bottom of the page, and I'm going to choose open a ticket, and you can see that this is where we do MX records. So what email address should we reply to? So I'm going to say selfassemblysites@gmail, because we haven't yet got our domain set up. So now it's going to say, so I'm going to put in my self. So in the message, hi there, can you create MX records on our domain for use with Google Apps? The records are as follows. Okay, so there's thanks for contacting us. Okay, so that's that done. And I'm logging into self-assembly sites, and I can see that they have sent that extremely quickly. They have performed the requested MX changes and allowed 24 to 48 hours for propagation. So I just can confirm this by viewing the so I can see here the MX records. Perfect.